Hello everybody, welcome to the Vtuber ASMR stream of clipped up stuff. Today we're going to be drawing an eye. Now, if you want to draw a real eye, you have to know a few things. Because the eye is made out of very much different parts, right? To draw anime, you have to know real life. Because drawing anime is all fine and dandy. To draw a basic like anime eye is not that incredibly hard. Especially if you have some reference with you, like how to draw different styles, right? Well, you just have some style sheets on you. But if you want to draw a real eye, you have to much more look at your shapes. It's less about just drawing an oval and an eye. That's how you draw the symbol. No, if you want to draw like a real eye. So let's say that's your realistic eye, right? What do we take from this for the anime eye? Well, we take the oblong shape, we take the pupil, we take the idea of this fat eyelid in our head, right? And we take the brow. Now when we do anime, what we can simplify it to is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines. And then you can just add your eye. Which, depending on like style, you could do however the fuck you want, right? Now if I wanted to draw a K on eye, I would K do on. For what they do with this shape is they have a more long shape like that, more big hexagonal shape, which translates to this shape all being one. I for the longest time wanted to be able to draw the KyoAni style. I practiced vigorously on getting that style down for a long time. If I have enough reference, I can get it down pretty close, but never the exact same. Especially because KyoAni has also evolved since the days of K-On. They're not what K-On looked like. That's not what KyoAni looks like today. Welcome to my issue where once I try to do line art, it all looks like ass. Boop, look at that. That sort of looks like KyoAni. It's sort of the KyoAni style, I imagine, somewhat, plus minus. I am convinced that you only need those shapes, those few like lines to essentially do any. Ryuko in the shot I have as reference, her eye goes like up here, then it's up to the side here, then it goes down a bit, then it goes down like, then it goes, swoops down like that, and it goes down from down up here. So the eye thing is like that. Little pike sticking out, pike to the side, pike to the side. Ryuko is technically special because she also has like that special, what's that special shape in her eye? Fucking do I love the second opening of that show. Down and up and low, you got me, it's time to show some skin. And usually these like in between parts, you just fill them up with, I don't fucking know, stuff. Also, what's really good to use, even though not many people will use it, is this realistic G pen with the texture. If you're doing line art for an animation, right, try using the textured brush for it, the textured line brush for it. It'll make the thing feel way less digital, make it feel more pen on papery. Boop, remove that, and it looks like an anime eye.